In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working on a project, giving a presentation, or just collaborating with your colleagues, screen sharing is a powerful tool that facilitates clear communication and visual collaboration. Let's get started and walk through it together. First things first, ensure you have Microsoft Teams open on your desktop or mobile device. It's quite straightforward from here. You'll want to start by deciding whom you'd like to initiate the meeting with. You can type the name of a person or a group you want to call. Once you've made your selection, look towards the top of the chat list. There you will find the Meet Now icon. This little button is your gateway to starting a new meeting. After clicking the Meet Now icon, a pop-up will appear showing you whom you are about to meet. Just take a moment to double-check that everything looks good, and when you're ready, confidently click on Start a Meeting. Once you've launched the meeting, it's time to locate the Screen Share button. To do this, direct your attention to the Meeting Controls toolbar. Typically, you'll find this toolbar conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. Now, among the icons present, look for the one that appears as an upward arrow within a rectangle. That's your share icon. Give it a click when you're ready to proceed. Choosing what to share is our next step. Microsoft Teams offers you several options to cater to different needs. If you wish to share everything that appears on your screen, you'll want to select Desktop/Screen. This option allows others to see all your actions, making it ideal for comprehensive walkthroughs. Alternatively, if your focus is on a single application or window, go ahead and choose Window. This is particularly useful when you need to keep the rest of your desktop private or when the attention should solely be on a specific task or document. Finally, finishing up is as simple as stopping the share when you're done. To close out your screen sharing session, look at the top of your screen for the Stop Sharing button. Alternatively, you can also select Stop Presenting directly from the Teams toolbar. This ensures that your screen is no longer visible and closes the screen sharing session. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively share your screen in Microsoft Teams, enhancing your ability to communicate and collaborate visually. Remember, consistent practice with these steps can make you more proficient and confident in your virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy sharing!